Ever tried to work on your finances after a 10-hour workday while your kids are turning the couch into a wrestling ring? Yeah, that's not budgeting, that's survival. Bernadette Joy, investor, money coach, and author of Crush Your Money Goals, shares how her 3-bucket budget helped her pay off $300,000 in just 3 years, and how you can finally make budgeting feel doable. Tip 1. Pick the right time. Joy says the most overlooked step is being intentional about when and where you do your budget each month. For her and her husband, that means a monthly money date over brunch. No stress, no chaos, just coffee, pancakes, and planning. Tip 2. Try the 3-bucket budget. Forget tracking every latte. Joy breaks it down like this. Joy says it may take 6 months to get into the rhythm, but after that, it takes less than an hour a month. Tip 3. Shift your mindset. Joy says, when you start seeing budgeting as something that helps you build wealth, it becomes something you look forward to rather than something you dread. Translation, stop beating yourself up over slip-ups. Instead of saying, I blew the budget, ask, why did I overspend? Was I stressed? Did I forget to plan? Curiosity builds strategy. Guilt just builds shame. So the next time you're tempted to budget in the middle of family chaos, remember Bernadette Joy's strategy. Right time, 3 buckets, positive mindset. That's how she crushed $300,000 of debt, and how you can finally stop dreading the budget talk. Got a money question? Head to gobankingrates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500, plus your question could be answered by a top financial expert.